Moving on to my second question, Mr. Baduga. Education is a dynamic concept with interpretations. What sort of disciplines have an impressive career scope?
That's something like what we are working. I would say like more closely as an organization.
Okay.
With everyone, we are like now. If you take a cross section of the job market and how the
fluctuation happens.
it had never been dynamic as that much, especially with the pandemic. Well, a couple of years ago, no one really believed that we can remotely work with the same efficiency and
Very
the same
true.
capacities. But when there was like no other choices to be made, we adapted really well. Now even
We
the top
blended
of-
in, didn't
yeah,
we?
we blended in, and even the top of corporates, they would like still having the idea, even when we are completely done and out with the pandemic, still not to get stuck with their high cost infrastructure work methodology and like the work with this remotely working environment.
And there is an increase of productivity, if I'm not wrong.
There's an increase of productivity, but there's a huge
In certain
loss
industries.
Yes, in certain industries, but there's a huge loss of like losing a lot of career opportunities. So the Global Economic Forum, it says we might lose 80 million jobs globally. But at the same time, there would be about like another 80 million new careers might emerge with the advancement. So it's like the so-called the
Energy conservation.
the theory of
Energy conservation.
once one side of the jobs being dropped down, there's always a tendency different side of jobs to get increased. So if I be like precise with your question, now technically speaking, the careers were based on, let's say, like business analytics, what do you call that, the sustainable energy engineers, technicians, then the IT related careers, the personal trainers. Those are the careers what will definitely going to have like the huge potential in times to come. But when you try to pick a particular industry, or I would say a discipline, well, what really happening with the job market now in golden days, I mean like in good old days, we have always seen there's always like a tendency one discipline to build more careers compared to the other. But now it's all about almost the most of the common the disciplines what we are talking about. It can be engineering, business management,
Or
well,
the
health
traditional
sciences.
disciplines.
Yes, whatever the discipline is, there will be enough jobs being created, but the required skill set is quite different, right? Now, for instance, in near future, you find like the careers of managers, the traditional bossy managers, that's been like completely obsolete. The very reason is like the structures of companies, they are getting thinner and thinner,
Right,
right?
true.
Because you are now having the capacity to do a lot of monitoring and the remotely control compared to how previous it was a big number of units, right, downwards. And it had created a capacity for like single manager to manage a lot of employees together. And we don't want multiple managers to get segregated the task within, right? But in the other hand, business development managers, there will definitely be a spike because the structures are getting complicated, the market is getting complicated day by day, the economical, the factors, the way that it fluctuates, the way that it changed, that is like quite unprecedented. So the business development, that will be the kind of a like very integrated part where that the success of organizations might rely on, right? So likewise, the same thing can apply for like the auditors and bookkeepers might get out of the process, but finance and business analytics will find more and more opportunities. And what the youngster might like looking into it as a buddy corporate or like still as a student, it's like now it has reached a point where more than the discipline what you follow, it's about your soft skills and your adaptability, which will keep you remain within the vicinity of the job market, right?
So when we are talking on the lines of forecasting accredited programs, looking at some of the positions which might emerge as we were speaking on with this so-called pandemic, do you think there would be more programs, diplomas, higher educational programs which will be offered in Sri Lanka, which will be also accredited with international standards?
Well, honestly speaking, higher education, which is something like what we can talk with like lot of affirmative the remarks. Now already there are like enough opportunities students might get, irrespective to their the spending capacities too. Like I don't say that it's all free, but there are many possible opportunities being created. The flexible loan schemes and some affordable programs, so that
high-ranking universities as well, no, tying
lot of
up with Sri
affiliations being
Lankan
tied up.
colleges.
So that
true.
opportunity is already there. And well, yes, like as we improve, I mean, like as we evolve as like the global context, there will be more opportunities will emerge.
පොඩි කාලේ ඉඳලා අපේ හිත්වල තිබ ලොකුම ප්‍රශ්නේ අපි කවුද? ඔබේ හැකියාවන් මොනවාද? කැමැත්ත මොකක්ද? ඔබේ ආකල්ප මොන වගේද? ඔබට අනාගතයේ ගැලපෙන්නේ මොන වගේ වෘත්තියක්ද? අපිට පුළුවන් ඔබගේ මේ දැවෙන ප්‍රශ්නවලට උත්තර හොයන්න ඔබට උදව් කරන්න. ඒ විතරක් නෙවෙයි, ඔබට අවශ්‍ය වෘත්තීය අනාගතය නිර්මාණය කරගන්න ගැලපෙන උසස් අධ්‍යාපන ආයතනයක් තෝරගන්න. විවිධ රැකියා ක්ෂේත්‍ර සම්බන්ධව ඉගෙන ගන්න. ඒවායි රැකියා වෙළඳපොළ තේරුම් ගන්න අපි ඔබට කියා දෙනවා. ඔබ කුමන වෘත්තියක් තෝරා ගත්තත් අපි ඔබට කියලා දෙනවා එම වෘත්තියට අදාළ රැකියා අවස්ථා ළඟා කරගන්න විදිය. ඒ සඳහා ඔබට අවශ්‍ය මෘදු කුසලතා ගොඩනගා ගන්න, යහපත් වෘත්තීය පෞරුෂයක් ගොඩනගා ගන්න අපි ඔබට මඟ කියා දෙනවා. මේ සඳහා අප විසින් නොමිලේ පවත්වනු ලබන වෙබිනා වැඩසටහන් මාලාවත් සමග සම්බන්ධ වීමට ඔබට පුළුවන්. EduOne, දරුවන්ගේ හිත හදන මඟ කියන තැන.